Nice work! Let's look a little more at CSS values. Values correspond to a number of properties. Two of the most used values are color and size. Color can be specified in three ways. First, spell out the color, like color red or background color white. Next, you can use a special code called the hexadecimal code. The hex code is a 6-digit code made up of letters and numbers. The first 2 digits correspond to the level of red, the second 2 to the level of green, and the last 2 to the level of blue. If values repeat, it can be shortened to 3 characters like this. There are a lot of great color pickers out there. Check them out. We'll list a few in the description of the video. Last is to use the RGB color model. And with CSS3 you can do RGBA. A stands for alpha and represents the transparency of the color. Size is a big part of CSS, just like these puppies. There are several methods to specify size with CSS. The most common are pixels, percent, and ems. Pixels are the most common unit used in CSS. A pixel is the smallest unit a screen can display. Percentages are used to scale an HTML element from its default size. Values less than 100% scale the element down, and values larger than 100% scale the element up. In the next lesson, we talk about selectors.